Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abu Bakr E, Ceesay, and I am excited to walk you through my final exam project titled Schedule Generator for Nusa Putra University. The aim of the project is to take a raw data set of course schedules and clean, process, and visualize it step by step using Python. I'm sorry that I'm having a cold. The project, the overview of the project. This project was implemented entirely in Python. I use only Python and broken into multiple scripts, stages to clarify and maintainability. I use libraries like pandas for data processing and FPDF for PDF export. The goal was to automate the process of creating a clean, readable schedule and assigning rooms to avoid class conflicts. The first step I handled was extract data.py. I name it step 1 extract data.py. As you can see here. Here, I read the raw Excel data using pandas, clean the columns names, and extract only the important files like lecturer name, course, class, day, time, and SKS. A key logic here was selecting only relevant columns and printing a preview to verify the structure before moving on. Step 2, some of the rows had missing data when I check it. So because they were grouped under a single lecturer but written in a match format. In step 2, I use forward field, which is a field to populate the missing values in the data set, ensuring each row was complete and independent. So there I move to step 3. In step 3, I fill out only the classes that occur on Monday and Friday, which is Sinin and Jumat. This was done using pandas, filtering and logical conditions. And the output was saved as a new CSV file for later use. Yeah, CSV file. This is the final CSV file. This filtered schedule CSV file and filtered schedule data CSV file. So here is the clean one, clean schedule data.csv. That is after we clean the data. So in step 4, I check for and remove any the classes that overlap with scheduled break times, which were defined as 12 to 1. This helped ensure the final schedule did not include any classes during the official break period. And in step 5, I created a simple logic to assign available rooms from a predefined list of each class. This was done. My apologies, please. This was done in a round robin. Yeah. Um, I did it in a round robin style using a modular operator to rotate through rooms, ensuring that all classes had a room. Yeah, and therefore after export it to this thing, how to call it, final schedule dot CSV, which is this one here. And after doing all this, um, the last step was exporting the final data set to both PDF and Excel using export to PDF. So this is the final schedule. So after this, I export it to this thing, how to call it, PDF and Excel. Here, this is the Excel here. Here, I use FPDF and pandas to Excel. Uh, Function like to underscore Excel bracket function to create a shareable format for the final output. Yeah, you can see here. This is where I export it to this thing, PDF. And for Excel, um, I use this command to underscore Excel. In bracket, I said final schedule dot SLS X. So this will export the final, this thing, how to call it, uh, final schedule to Excel. The final schedule here to Excel, as we did in the info the PDF earlier. So, but like there's what biggest challenge was managing missing values in a data that wasn't well structured. By breaking the logic into step and verifying the output at each stage, I ensure that every transformation was accurate and reliable. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention. I am happy for this assignment because definitely it really expanded my this thing, how to call it, my skill